Good morning, guys. Back here at this store today because I read some YouTube comments on my last video where I had done like what I thought was a wiring trick where I just had bare wires and it was zip tied so it wouldn't rub through, and I got my butt chewed. People were saying I was lousy and trash and a joke, pathetic. So rather than being like, wow, these people are mean, I was like, shit, these people are right. It's a little fire under my butt. Safe to say I had trouble sleeping after I read those comments because I was like, fuck, they're right. I was so focused on getting this unit fixed because it had so many issues that I thought leaving bare wires, that's how it was before. I thought leaving the wires all bare and stuff was okay, and it's not. So I came back, people recommended Seal Tight, so I did Seal Tight. There's already a grommet on this little motor, so I couldn't really thread that on there, so I just taped it up real good. So I got Seal Tight, waterproof connections inside of here. It runs through that little hole down into here. So it comes down. This zip tie just fell off, so I'll just cut it. But I zip tied any wires that were pre-existing that were loose that had chances of rubbing through. So I zip tied that to it. But we come up through here, and there's a crap ton of wires coming through here, so I'd have to rewire, or I'd have to redo everything with Flex Seal. But I'm so swamped, I don't have time to do that. So it's just sitting in there loose right now, but at least it can't rub through. And I zip tied it real secure so it won't fall down. And then I zip tied all my new connections. I used Wagos, taped them off real good so they won't come undone. And now so that everything's waterproof connections inside of this Seal Tight. It's not just sitting there. And those comments lit a fire under my butt. I'm prideful. I don't want to be lousy. I don't want to be trash. I don't want people to think that. I take a lot of pride in what I do. So I was so fixated on fixing this unit that I just neglected the wiring, and it was trash, and I thought it was good, but nope. So those comments helped. I'm always open to criticism, even if it's harsh like that, like this guy's a joke, this guy's trash. I'll take it because, like I said, it lit a fire under my butt. I couldn't sleep, so I started my day first thing here, fixed all that wiring, got it fixed up. It's like polishing a turd because this unit's crap, but I gotta take more pride. I mean, I've taken pride, but I gotta pay attention to the little things, man. So hope you guys enjoyed the new video. Hopefully I gained a little bit of respect back, but I'm trying to be good at what I do. So comments, feedback, I'm open to it. Thanks, guys.